Want to make a collage of photos, but not sure how? I'm Jessica, and in this video, I'll show you how to make a photo collage on iPhone. Now let's get started. To create our collage, we're going to use the Shortcuts app that comes built into your iPhone. If you've previously deleted this app, you can re-download it for free from the App Store. Open the Shortcuts app and tap Gallery at the bottom. Then type in Grid in the search bar at the top. When you see Photo Grid in the search results, tap the plus sign to add this shortcut to your app. Now tap Shortcuts in the bottom menu. Tap your new Photo Grid shortcut. Then select some photos from your camera roll that you'd like to include in your collage. Then tap Add. Your photo collage will then be created. If you want to edit your collage, tap the pencil icon in the bottom right corner to open the markup toolbar. With this, you can add doodles, or tap the plus sign to add stickers, text, or shapes. When you're finished editing, tap the pencil icon at the top right corner to close the markup toolbar. To save your collage, tap the share icon in the bottom left corner. Then tap Save Image. Your collage will then be saved to your camera roll. That's all it takes to create a photo collage on iPhone. Want to edit photos with your iPhone? Check out this tutorial next. Click the video on your screen now to watch. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the like button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tech tutorials like this one every day.